What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. I am ready to go inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. It has been far too long since I've been here, at least 3 weeks or so. So hopefully we find some good stuff as I drop my keys. All right, what do we got? This looks kind of cool. Infinite Revis. Stargate. Got a whole bunch of video games here. Prices are a little crazy. $8, $5 for a sports game, $10 for, wow, $13 for Ghost. Okay, so, oh, that might be okay. So like I said, I haven't been here in a while, so I don't know what the prices are like. $13 for that. And, you know, prices fluctuate every single week at different thrift stores. $13, that is crazy. $8 for Madden. What is this? It's probably why there's so many sitting here. Nobody wants to spend this much, and I do not blame them. We'll see if I find anything. So I am throwing some stuff in the cart, but I am taking a look here, and we are running into an issue today. And this is another reason why I haven't been here in a while. These children's DVDs used to be 99 cents each, so you could grab a few of them, and children's DVDs sell all right on Amazon. You could also lot them up. So these Max and Rubies, you could lot up on eBay and, you know, sell all three for maybe 15, 20 bucks, right? Well, they used to be 99 cents, and now they are $2.99 each. So they didn't just double the price, they tripled the price. So $9 for something that you can maybe sell for 15 is too much now. So I am noticing that with a lot of DVDs, like even just these basic ones, Road Trip used to be 99 cents, $3. So it's gone up, and they have a lot of DVDs. So I'm surprised they would raise the price, because usually the shelf space is limited, but I guess they're just tossing them. I'm not sure what they're doing with the ones that don't sell. Now I do have some things in my cart, some interesting things. We got a couple Blu-rays. I found one 99-cent DVD, must be left over from before they did the price changes. I found some brand new floppy disks. That's super rare, $5. Not a bad find. And then just some seasons that I need to complete sets at my house. I'm gonna see if these are the ones I need or not. At $4, it might be worth it, might not be. We're gonna keep looking in here and see what else we could find. I'm not finding too much, like I said, in the media, but you never know. Something might pop out to me like that. I was just kind of curious at the records, because these used to be $3, $4 each. And take a look, $10 now. What is this, inflation? Is this what inflation is? Oh, $8, $13. Holy cow, man. What is going on? $15. This is wild, and this just all looks like stuff that's not worth too much. Weird. Let's keep looking. There is still a lot to look through. There are some cool old Star Trek figures here. Bendy, oh, they're not even old. I think this is a new thing. Bendy Figs. Let's see if there's a year on it. 2021. So these are basically brand new. $13 each. I think I'll scan these and see if they're worth anything. I have no idea. So I'm going through all the toys here, and then I see some Legos. Not bad. We have Lego Friends, and we have Lego kind of Valentine's Day birds. I don't know. I looked them up. I showed you guys the price on the screen. They sell pretty well on Amazon, but they want $13. That's not horrible for how much money I'm gonna make on them. This one's still good. I'll sell this one as new. I'm gonna have to get that Sharpie off, which is kind of hard to do on cardboard, but it is possible. The issue with this one right here is the box is pretty damaged. I won't sell it as new. Even if it is sealed, it doesn't matter. So this would have to go as used, which I'm really debating on. I think used, you might be able to get about $35 for it or so. Even though it's new, I don't know. I'm on the fence. I'm gonna stick it in the cart. What would you guys do? Here we go, down another toy aisle. I actually found something brand new sealed. Katamino, never heard of it. It's $8, and you guys can see it sells pretty well on Amazon, $30 and up. Not bad, we'll definitely take it. So I had just found this G.I. Joe versus Cobra toy right here. I thought it was kind of cool. Couldn't find it on Amazon, so I looked around and I noticed it was from 2003, so it's pretty old. It's brand new. You can see that original price of $1.99. They want $6. Also, they wrote on it in Sharpie, which is kind of a pain. I was on the fence. It's selling on Amazon, or on eBay, I mean, for about $20-ish, which doesn't leave a lot of room for profit after shipping, but I might have pulled the trigger if they didn't tape the box up. Take a look at this, guys. This is just wild to me. Look at all of this tape. It's already sealed, but they put all this tape. You can kind of see the reflection of it all over the box. I don't know why they would do that. It would rip this artwork right off, so I have to leave it because, I mean, they pretty much destroyed the box. So this is staying on the shelf. I noticed that with everything. They usually do it with used games, so you'll see all this duct tape, or not, scotch tape or whatever, on every single box. And it is kind of a pain to take off, but I understand why they would do it for used games, so people don't, you know, spill the pieces everywhere. But to do it on something brand new is a shame. The Sharpie is also kind of a pain. But we're still finding stuff, so that's good. We're gonna keep looking. There is so much to go through here, guys. Hopefully we keep finding stuff. Let's see. Oh, here's something cool. I usually sell stuff like this all the time from this 4M Kitchen Science. I'll show you guys how I look it up. They want $2.99 for it. There's the barcode. Let me pull out my Amazon seller app. So we're gonna open up to Amazon and we're gonna hit up the barcode. Let's get it scanned in. All right, and that's the correct listing right here. It is selling for $13.99. After fees, you'll make $7.29 minus my $3, so about $4 in profit. I will take it. Throw that in the cart. So here's another case of something that is brand new, I think. It's hard to tell because they put tape all over it. They put scotch tape, not duct tape, all over the back and all over the side, so I can't tell if the original seal under there is actually connected or not. It's hard to tell. They do want $13 for this, so I'm gonna leave it anyways, but why are they putting duct tape on things that I think are brand new? All right, guys, we are back in the electronics corner over here. We have some miscellaneous stuff. Let's see what we have. We have a little Sony CyberShot camera, $25. As is circled on it. Usually when as is circled, it means it's broken. I can't get it to turn on. It feels heavy. Oh, there's a battery in it, so it needs a charger, which it doesn't have. So they probably weren't able to test it. Screen, I can't tell if that's cracked or not. Might be. $25 is kind of crazy for that. What else do we have here? An Xbox racing wheel for $30? No, not good, not good. We have an Xbox for $25 with no hard drive and just the power cord. That's kind of expensive as well. What do we, guys? This. Ooh, what's this down in here? Here we go. We got some controllers. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. $13. Half of the joystick is missing. It looks like a dog got to it, possibly. And then the wire has like this nice brown gunk all up and down it. That's a good price. What else do we have in here? I don't even know what that is. $13 for a very yellowed Xbox controller. $13 for a PS1 controller. See, oh, this one's $13 as well. It's even yellower. It's missing the batteries. Guys, this is actually really funny to me. I don't understand. I just don't get it. Oh, back to this one. What is this? All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it quits at this thrift store right now with what I got in the cart. We did still get some decent stuff, not as much as I'd like. But you know, it is what it is. And we're gonna go check out the Game Exchange next door, see if we can find anything there. All right, guys, let's go in here. Sometimes I get luckier at non-thrift stores when I'm out thrifting. And also, I see a Dollar Tree over there. Maybe they have some good dollar movies that we can find to resell. We'll take a look there soon, too. Maybe after this. Ooh, they got Futurama, $200. Game is crazy expensive now. Pretty cool, though. Metal Gear Solid Collection. And that looks sealed. That might be a reseal. I'm not 100% positive, but I'm gonna look into that as well for $55. Sometimes they do have sealed games here. They price used the same as new, so that could be good. This right here, they have a factory sealed Platoon for $100, kind of cool. So yeah, I'm gonna look around. Geez, Turbo for $165. Game's gone way up. So I'm checking out all the different DVDs and stuff, and I found one Blu-ray right here. Little House on the Prairie Season 8 for $10. And kind of cool here. I scanned it in on Amazon, couldn't find it, so I looked it up on eBay. There's none listed, but take a look at this. The last 3 that were listed sold for over $100. So for a $10 purchase, no brainer. So I just left the game exchange and we got some good stuff. We got a Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban for $6. Not a bad price since it is complete. Disc is super clean. It's got the manual and all that. Close this up. Oh no, we got the IKEA bag stuck on there. There we go. Close that up. We got, this wasn't mine. I don't remember getting Skate 3. Maybe I was charged for these. I don't know. Little House on the Prairie Season 8. Pretty sweet. All the discs are in there. Super happy to see that. And I found a brand new sealed Full House, the complete series, for $30. Brand new. Pretty crazy. Super happy about this. Selling for about $65. And then the mother load score right here. A bunch of these Xbox 360 wireless adapters. They were all different prices for some reason. Like that one was $14. That one was $17. That one was $20, I believe. This one was $14. That one was $20, but they're all worth it. So these are all going on Amazon. I will make some great money there. Super happy about this score. And I don't think we have time to go to the Dollar Tree, so it's time to head home.